ho ho. You like my feisty Santa hat? It has cheetah print. Happy holidays, everybody. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer-Biana, and if you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Alright, well, I don't know how much I'm feeling this Santa hat, so we're gonna, hello everybody, nice to hear you. I can't hear in this hat. So, happy holidays everybody. Seriously, this is the best time of the year. It's my favorite time of the year, especially because my birthday is coming up soon, December 30th. It's literally all about being kind and hanging out with family and your friends and love and the spirit of the holidays, which is so fun and great and we love. So with all the fun and festivities that come the holidays and New Year's, there's mess. There's a lot of mess, in fact. A mess and chaos of food, drinks, and dirt all over your home. And that's the part we don't think about. Especially putting up a Christmas tree. Have you ever put up a Christmas tree and noticed all of the little pine needles just on the floor? It's a mess. So today I am sponsored by this amazing company, bObi, and I am so excited to be able to unbox this item for you guys because it is $850 and I am so excited to unbox it and see it in action. You're gonna get all of it right here. So they sent me a cute little robot vacuum from their Dusk to Dawn collection, so it's freaking cute too. It's peach pink. It's like so cute. It vacuums and cleans and it's so pretty and it's $850, which like I'm so excited. It must be so good. I am so excited. So this is the bObi pet, and they call it a pet, which is the cutest thing in the world. Like, okay, like my new best friend like that helps me clean without me doing anything. Love living. We're here for her. So of course the link will be down below if you want to get your own. It is like the best present you could get your mom or even for yourself. Like, I'm gonna bring this back to my college town in my apartment there, and everyone's gonna be like, God bless you, and I'll be like, blessed. The box is huge. It's actually intimidatingly scary. Where is it? It's behind me. I'm gonna have to move my little pillows out of the way for this one. So this is the bObi Pet 2.0. I hate vacuuming. I think personally that's the worst chore. So I am so happy to get this. Aw. It says her date of birth and weight. I'm screaming. She has my last name. bObi Gelman. Okay, my little bObi pet. Okay. This is the big box. It is huge, guys. This is huge. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Robotic vacuum cleaner and mop. She mops too. Okay. She's also self-charging, where she'll return to the station on her own when low on battery. Excuse me? Scheduled cleaning. Pick time and day for bObi to self-start. You could pick the time and day for it to do it. Like, you could be at work and you like set your time like beforehand, and when you're at work it'll clean for you. What? And this is the back, and it just tells you everything about it. Like, it's edge sensors, it stays clear of stairs and ledges. Side brush, frees dust from hard to reach corner and edges. UV light, shines UV light. Rubber brush, cleans floors. Rotating bristles, reel in dirt and hair. Rinses residue down the drain. Washable, it has a washable dustbin. Main brush. So it's 5-in-1 cleaning. So it's a vacuum, a sweep, a mop, UV light, and it'll filtrate. And it's sleek and chic. I love her. Vacuuming is a struggle from someone that has lived her first year in her own apartment. It's full command remote control, turbo lift suction, lithium ion battery, mini mop attachment, touch texture, 2-year warranty including battery. So this is what it comes in. It comes with this. this is the remote control. I like that it has waffle and juice specifically. Like, out of all things, like waffle juice. Like, okay, Shishtar. I think it's like another thing you could attach to it. Ooh, what's this? For you guys. That was a good one. That was definitely a good one. So this is also connected with the charger where it charges itself. And there's also a couple little parts down here. A little screwdriver, so nice, so thoughtful. bObi's goodie bag is in here, that's so cute. bObi stickers, hello, you got me. So I'm gonna be real careful because I don't want to lose this. Oh my god, it's so cute. bObi is my pet's BFF. Oh my god, it comes with 2 stickers, so cute. Here's my baby. Here she is. Oh my god, she's the cutest color. And then here's the bottom, so it's definitely a lot going on here. She's so heavy in a good way, like a very good way. Like, I am impressed by the quality of everything, and there's just so many things going on here, and all the extra stuff they give you. I am just so impressed. Hey guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you how she works. So let's hop around my Christmas tree with my little bObi pet. I'm sorry, I had to. It's rocking around. I'm gonna say bobbin, so. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this video. She's so perfect. I love her. I'm gonna cry. So thank you guys for watching. You know where to get her if you want your own, in the description below. And yeah, happy holiday guys. See you soon. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Okay guys, so today, thought that would be so cool. I'm just be like, the iPhone XS. I'll be talking about the iPhone XS. I got a lot of comments from you guys about how, like, you guys were like oddly upset that I got a new phone because I had the X and then I upgraded to the XS, and a lot of you guys were really upset at me calculating what I did wrong. But like, I see where you guys are coming from because the XS isn't that different from the X. But the thing is, the thing is that I have the T-Mobile Jump program, so if I don't upgrade to the new phone, I lose a lot of money because it's the phone you have, and then once a new phone comes out, you should jump to the new phone so that you save the amount of money that's the difference between the phones. I'll link down the T-Mobile Jump program. It's just, it saves money, and it's just honestly more efficient if I just upgrade to a new phone. That's all I'm trying to say. But yeah, so this is the iPhone XS, and I have a couple things to say about it, so let's just get into it. Also, if you like my case, it's a chroma case, and I love chroma, so the link will be down below if you want a chroma case. They're my fave. So let's get into it. Again, I've said this before, the iPhone XS is not that different from the X. And in my past video, I did say that the screen was a little bit bigger because a T-Mobile employee told me it was a little bigger, so she really did me